Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Seeing from the title, in today's video I'll be giving you a tour of my apartment here in Japan. So let's go. Welcome to my humble abode. Now as you enter the apartment, this area is called the Genkon. You leave your outdoor shoes here and you step into your inside shoes. Now there's a little extra lock for security. On the door, this box that you're looking at is my mailbox. So there's a slot on the door on the outside that the postman will drop my letter in and I will get it right here. To my left is my shoe closet, and this is where I store all my shoes. Up top, I use this storage for grocery. So when I do bulk buying, this is where I store the extra things that are not able to hold in the kitchen cupboard. And right here, I just decorate this area with a few things I bought at the dollar store, except for the candle and the candle holder, which I got in Nitori, another store. Now to my right, over here is where I wash my face, brush my teeth, and all that jazz. Hi guys! To my right is my laundry area where I do my washing. And to my left is my shower room. Now, all of this area is where I shower, so it's okay to get this area wet because as you can see, that's the drainage over there, so the water runs there. It's pretty okay. This is my bath, so if I want to relax, which I don't really do because it's pretty small, as you can see, and it's deep. I don't know, it's usually very deep, most of the bath here. And on the wall is my hot water system, so if I need hot water, I will press that, and if you press the other buttons, then you'll hear something in Japanese. I don't know what it's saying. And of course you can lower the pipe or the shower head to here. And that's pretty much my shower room. Now on the wall is this whole system. So right here, it's the dryer system. So if it is that it's winter or if it's raining and I do laundry, then I can hang my clothes in the shower room and turn on the dryer here. The other buttons serve as heater as well as ventilation, and I'm not sure what the other one is for. And this is my bathroom area, or my shower area, I should say. To my left is the toilet room. Of course, it's separated, as you can see, and that's how they do it here in Japan, at least some apartments, and I'm really happy for that. I have a little extra area for storage that I am grateful for. So I store my towels in here, extra tissue and paper towel. Now this is the toilet, and it's also a bidet, and it's a heated toilet seat. So in the winter when it's pretty cold, I don't need to worry because the seat gets warm. And you flush it here. You have light flush or heavy flush, and this is actually a deodorizer. So when you flush it, the water runs there and go into the toilet bowl and fill it up again. And that's my toilet room. So let's see what's behind this door. This door just slides. And here we are in my kitchen. This is where I do all my cooking. As you can see, it's just a stove top. I don't have a full stove like we do back home, or I should say in the Western world, where you would have the oven at the bottom and all that jazz. No, we don't. We just have a stove top. So what I do is purchase a toaster oven, and I'm still able to do my baking, whether it's cake or just pastry on a whole, or even my meat. I do it right there. And as you can see, this is my fruit bowl and my fridge, pretty decent size. And of course, my scripture verse for encouragement is on my fridge. And I have some storage area. Over here I keep like my teas down the bottom and seasoning up top. And the other side is plates and cups and glass and all that jazz. To the left of the kitchen is my walk-in closet. Yeah, I like that about this apartment. It's I get a little extra storage because of course it's small. So I have two sides to hang my clothes, but of course yesterday, unfortunately, this broke. So I have to wait on the landlord to come tomorrow and put up a new one there so I can put back my clothes over there. So this is pretty much my walk-in closet area. And you just slide the door because of course we don't have much space, so they make it easier. As you can see, even here when I enter in the kitchen, it's a slide door. On the wall, this is the intercom, so if the doorbell rings, then I will be able to see who is outside and decide whether or not I want to answer. Yeah. This again is another hot water system. So it's one is in the bathroom as you saw before, and one is here in the kitchen. So I press this little button if I need to use the hot water. And over here, as I said, is my toaster oven, and below my toaster oven is where I keep all the things I use to bake. So anything I need for baking is right here. And this is my little settee that also serves as a bed. So if I have guests over, this is another flat out bed, pretty big enough to sleep one person comfortably. And over here is my little cupboard, I would say, or shelf that I bought in Nitori just to keep my books and anything else that I have. And on top I just do a little decorating again from things I pick up in the dollar store. And this little light up tree I got in the Christmas time because I wanted something different from the traditional tree, and it's I actually got it in Nitori. As you can see, there are some musical notes on the wall because music is my passion. This is what I used to do back home as my job. I do jingles and all that. I really love singing, so I have that there. Over here, I also have my microphone system for when I feel like recording songs and all that, or just worshiping, which I love to do when I'm feeling down, because you know how it is when you live alone in a foreign country. It's not all nice and dandy here all the time. Sometimes you miss your family and stuff. So this is where I'll come, sit, do my worship songs, and I'm good again. And I also use this desk to do my lesson planning. This is where I will sit and edit my videos as well. And over here is my bed. the one big investment I did in Japan because I don't like the futon. Sleeping on the floor is not comfortable, at least for me. Outside here is where I hang my clothes when I do laundry. And it's pretty overcast today. I hope the lighting has been good so far. So this is the back of my apartment. And we've basically come to the end of the video. So for this apartment, as you can see, I pay 600 US or 65,000 yen per month, and I think it's pretty reasonable. So let me know in the comment section what you think. Let me know if you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.